The second part of our video for Lesson 11.2 talks about cylinders. A cylinder is a solid that has two congruent parallel bases that are circles. So again, we have right cylinders and we have oblique cylinders. Right cylinders, the segment joining the centers of each circle are perpendicular to the base. In an oblique cylinder, the segment joining the centers of each circle are not perpendicular to the base. So here are your formulas. Again, a cylinder for lateral area is perimeter times height, and surface area is lateral area plus two bases. So when we have a circle, those formulas tend to change just a little bit. So the perimeter would be equivalent to circumference. So circumference equals 2 pi r, and some of you might remember it as diameter times pi. A capital B is the same thing as the area of a circle, and the area is equal to pi r squared. And I guess I could be writing this down here. The perimeter of the base is going to be circumference equals diameter times pi, and area is equal to pi r squared. So these are the two formulas that I would use. Lateral area equals diameter times pi times the height, and surface area equals diameter times pi times the height plus 2 pi r squared, because that's going to give you two bases. In these two examples, I have shaded in the base, so we need to find the lateral area and the surface area of the cylinder. Leave your answers in terms of pi. So the perimeter is the same thing as the circumference, so that's diameter times pi. So diameter is going to be 8 pi. The height of this cylinder is 12. The area of the base is going to be 4 squared pi, which is 16 pi. So the lateral area is equal to the perimeter times the height, so that's 8 pi times 12, which is the same thing as 96 pi. Our surface area is going to be 2 pi r squared, so the two bases, plus the perimeter times the height. So we need to double this. That gives us 32 pi plus the 96 pi. So 32 and 96 give us 128 pi squared centimeters. The second example, the perimeter again is the circumference. So diameter is given, so that's 18 pi. The height is given at 20. Area of the base is pi r squared, so our radius is 9, so 9 squared pi is 81 pi. The lateral area is the perimeter times the height, so that's 18 pi times 20, which gives us 360 pi. And our surface area is going to be two bases, so 2 times 81 pi, plus our lateral area, which is 360 pi, for 522 pi square millimeters. This last slide, I think we're going to wait until I get back to do this. Here is a review of what we learned today. The surface area of a right prism is equal to two bases plus the perimeter times the height. And the surface area for a right cylinder, because we have circles involved, then we have to use our formulas for area and circumference. 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi rh. I will be giving you a formula sheet that looks similar to this in the upcoming days. I hope you got a lot out of this. Please make sure you start your homework. See you tomorrow. Have a good day.